Hello and welcome to MG Tracy once again, and thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Today we're in a very hot and sunny Marmaris, which is in Turkey, and this video is just showing you what's available in the marina and the harbour. There's all sorts of boat trips you can do here, from pirate trips that go to multiple places. They start at around £20 British if you want soft drinks and a little bit of food. And then they're around £30 if you want alcohol and food doing your trip. And you get a chance to go to do a bit of swimming and see some of these other islands here. Most of these pirate trips leave at 10:30 and you're back about 4:30. What you're looking there is the main prom. That's about 1.6 kilometres long and it links all the hotels. If that is too much of a walk for you, then there's all sorts of taxi services, including water taxis, which are a lot of fun, and they'll take you back to your hotel.
Excuse me, have you done any boat trip yet?
Boat trip every day. Can I give card?
This is one of the all-inclusive boats, so you pay once and you get up to 6 places you're going to go during the day, and either soft drinks or alcohol, and you're going to get some free food, including barbecue chicken. So we're at the main part of the main marina now, where you've got lots of shops. You've got a shopping centre behind here, a little kids theme park with lots of rides, and shed loads of boat trips. As you wander along here, you are going to get asked about lots of trips, so gird your loins. This one's got a great sign. If anyone can explain that to me. This boat has no music, a pregnant church, hidden bays, family atmosphere. If you know what that means, please drop me a note below. Don't ever want to go on the pregnant church boat. Batman's boat there. So you've got from Mr. Bean boat right through to the harbour castle there, which you can go inside, and that was rebuilt very modernly in 1522.
Yeah.